प्रयागराजच्या महाकुंभमध्ये देश विदेशातून स्नानासाठी लोक येत आहेत. इटलीमधले काही जण आहेत, ते गेले 10 दिवस या महाकुंभाचा अनुभव घेत आहेत. आपण त्यांच्याकडनं जाणून घेऊया त्यांचे अनुभव या महाकुंभाविषयी कसे आहेत. हॅलो, वेलकम इन NDTV. व्हॉट्स युअर नेम, विच कंट्री यू आर फ्रॉम? जस्ट टेल मी अबाउट फर्स्ट युअर थिंग.
Hi, I'm Stefano, he's Luca and he's Emanuele.
Okay.
And we come from Italy just to be here,
Okay.
to be in Maha.
Mahakumbha. Okay. See, you are staying in Prayagraj for 10 days. What have you experienced and what have you felt here?
But we have been very lucky, not lucky because karma gives you what you get.
You believe in karma?
Yeah.
Great.
A lot.
Okay.
And so we had the possibility to spend the whole time with in a Nagasadu camp.
Okay.
So also during the work to the Sangam, we've been with them and we just jumped in the Ganga and went to river connect.
Okay.
It was fantastic. All of them.
What did you felt in the when you came in the Kumbh? You did Snan yesterday, I think so. You might have been at the Snan. What were your feelings? What can you express about it?
Again, full power. Like a lot of people told us that it's the biggest religious event all around the world and supreme energy. Like a lot of people believe in these, and we believe too, and it's crazy.
What can you say? What are your feelings about this, about Indian culture?
And we love it. We are here because fourth time that I come in India,
Okay.
and Emanuele gave me the possibility to enter a little bit more in yoga because he's a yoga teacher.
Great.
And,
He's a yoga teacher.
Yep. And for this reason, I love about the. We live in a country that we love spirituality. We don't have much tradition. Here, it's like to be the time is stopping. Like thousand and thousand years ago, they were doing this kind of ritual. Full of it.
Do you know this thing that is this Mahakumbh? This Mahakumbh is that after the gods and evils they fought, and there was Samudra Manthan. Do you know that? What can you tell about it? Why is this Mahakumbh? Okay. Okay. What are your feelings? You are a yoga teacher, just like he said. What are your expressions? What are your feelings? What did you felt in Mahakumbh? By your mind, by your heart?
More energy, more peace between the people.
Okay.
Between the people, more peace, no fighting. There are many people, but all people in peace.
Okay. After going to Italy, what you will tell to your family and friends about this experience?
My father knows because
Oh.
he's
Okay.
They
I
are
get
worried.
it. Yeah.
for my friends is the best experience in my life in India.
भारतातला सर्वात मोठा अनुभव या इटलीच्या या तिन्ही मित्रांनी घेतलेला आहे आणि शब्दात आम्ही मांडू शकत नाही की इथला जो अनुभव होता तो फार काही वेगळा होता. प्रचंड आंतरिक शक्ती मिळाल्याचा अनुभव हे तिघ जण सांगतात. हे तिघही योगा करणारे इटलीची मित्र आहेत. सुजित आंबेकर, NDTV मराठी, प्रयागराज.